Hello, here is a lovely vocal workout routine that you can do every day. It's 10 minutes-ish and it covers everything that you need to give your voice a nice warm up, to wake it up, to give it a good stretch up into the high notes, stretch down into the low notes, to work on your articulation, to work on your tuning, to work on your breathing. Everything is covered. Try this workout every day and hopefully you will see a difference in your voice. Enjoy! Exercise number 1, we're going to sing sirens on an octave. We're starting on an ng sound, ng, of sing, and then we're going to move to a hum. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hum. The end. Okay, now we're going to do some lip trills on pentascales. Take a nice deep breath to power through. If it's tricky, fingers either side of your mouth. Okay, we're going to do some ha-ha-has on a minor pentascale. Woo. So working from the stomach, you're going to squeeze ha-ha-ha-ha-ha from the stomach each time. Keep up with it as best you can. notes now. We've got 4 beat counting, so you need to breathe out for 3, in for 1, and then we're going to sing TooWeeYah, and we're going to hold the note over an ascending scale. Try to do this all in one breath. If it's tricky, build up to it. Use your stomach muscles to squeeze those notes out. Try not to sing with a breathy tone because that will make it harder. Keep it nice and clear. Penta scales now. We're going to do 4 on Nyuh, 4 on M, and 4 on B. Stay relaxed. Keep your face really relaxed. Don't push your voice. Just let it go wherever it needs to go. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Now ma, 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 ma. Okay, this is a fast one. It's vowel sounds on a minor pentascale, or minor scale in fact. We're singing ma, mi, my, mo, moo. Keep up with it. Try not to make any mistakes. Really move your lips to shape those sounds. Ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo. Ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo. Ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo. Ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo. Ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo. Ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo, ma, mi, my, mo, moo. Ma, mi, my, mo, moo. we're going to work on some descending chromatic scales. So we're moving down a semitone at a time on Nyuh. Make it really whiny. The whinier the sound, the easier it will be to hit those high notes. Nyuh, nyuh, nyuh. Try and focus the sound in your nasal port. Nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. Nyuh, 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 nyuh. We're going to reach up into the high notes now. We're going to alternate between me and moo scales. Smile into the me, really purse your lips on the moo, and try and keep that sound forward. Imagine that you're sending the sound straight out of your face when you're singing the moos. Smile, stay relaxed. Don't push too hard when you're hitting those high notes, but squeeze your stomach muscles if you need a bit of support. Me. And that's a wrap. Try and repeat this singing exercise routine as much as you can. I'm going to be practicing this every day to get my voice fit and healthy. And hopefully you'll be able to track the improvement over time with this. Whack it on in the morning and have a sing along. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on future videos from me. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Happy singing!